Good morning, students. How are you all? I am Pankaj Mishra, your physics teacher, here again with a new video on physics class. Students, in this video, I'll be explaining you a new chapter, the basic concept of energy, and I'll be explaining you the terms related to work. So, let's start with the video. As far as energy is concerned, we know energy means the ability to do work, or in the other words, we can say capacity to do work. So, the word that is coming from this is energy. When we explain energy, it is capacity to do work. So, in order to study this energy and the different forms of energy, what we first required the basic concept of work, because on the basis of work, we can explain energy, as we know they both are interrelated with each other. So, first of all, when we talk about work, अगर हम वर्क की बात करें तो वर्क कैसे डिफाइंड होगा, हाउ विल एक्सप्लेन वर्क. सो वर्क इज सेड टू बी डन if displacement occurs in the direction of applied force. That means on applying force I have already explained you कि force क्या होता है. Force is an external agent that changes the state of a body. Force एक तरीके का external agent है जो कि किसी भी state of a body, like कोई body stationary position में, that is in the state of rest. So by applying force, it can change the state of a body. That means अगर हम force apply करते हैं तो कोई body state of rest से motion में भी आ सकता है, motion से rest में भी आ जा सकता है. तो अगर वर्क को डिफाइन करना है तो वी डिफाइन इन टर्म्स ऑफ फोर्स एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट. सो मैथमेटिकली जस्ट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल एक्सप्लेन क्या चेंजेस कर सकता है वर्क. अगर हो रहा है तो क्या क्या हो सकता है, जैसे चेंज इन पोजीशन हो सकता है, ठीक, चेंज ये फोर्स अप्लाई होने की वजह से होगा. चेंज इन डायरेक्शन हो सकता है एंड चेंज इन स्पीड हो सकता है. ठीक है, चेंज इन स्पीड, change in speed can also occur. Okay, so now if we'll talk about the type of work, like work तो हमने define कर दिया, but in mathematical expression we can explain. Mathematically अगर बात करें तो we can write work is equal to force into displacement. That means work is defined as product of force and displacement. वर्क हमेशा फोर्स एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट के टर्म्स में डिफाइंड होगा. सो इफ एज फार एज द यूनिट्स आर कंसर्न, वर्क की यूनिट आपकी जूल हो जाएगी एंड न्यूटन मीटर भी एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज फोर्स की क्या होती है, न्यूटन होती है, एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट की मीटर होती है. दैट मीन्स न्यूटन मीटर विल बी द एसआई यूनिट. एंड इफ विल टॉक अबाउट द सीजीएस यूनिट, दिस विल बी सीजीएस आपकी हो जाएगी इसकी डाइन सेंटीमीटर. एंड रिलेशनशिप अगर बात करा जाए तो कितना होगा, 1 न्यूटन मीटर इज इक्वल टू 10 to the power 5 into 10 to the power 2 डाइन सेंटीमीटर. दैट इज 10 to the power 7 डाइन सेंटीमीटर. नाउ इफ विल टॉक अबाउट जूल, तो जूल भी इसकी यूनिट है. आप वर्क एंड एनर्जी बोथ हैव सेम यूनिट, दैट्स व्हाई दे आर इंटर रिलेटेड विथ ईच अदर. तो जूल की यूनिट की बात करें तो जूल के साथ अर्ग लिख सकते हैं आप. ठीक है, दिस इज एसआई सिस्टम, this is in SI system and this one is in CGS system. So these are the relationship. And if we'll talk about the physical quantity, that in which category we place work, so work is placed in scalar quantity as it is dot product of two vector quantities. अगर आपसे कोई पूछे, this you will study in your higher classes, कि अगर किसी भी दो वेक्टर क्वांटिटीज का डॉट प्रोडक्ट होता है तो you will get a scalar quantity. So we define work as a scalar quantity. Now as far as the classification is concerned, work is basically categorized. In your syllabus only 0 work is given, but I will explain you all the 3 types of work, because this you are going to study in class 9th and 10th. So I will be giving you the basic introduction in class 8th also. Work is basically categorized into positive work, then zero work, then negative work. ठीक है, these are the classification. If we will talk about positive work, that means a work is said to be positive. Work positive कब कहलाएगा, when displacement occurs in the direction of the applied force. मतलब अगर मान लीजिए ये हमारा मार्कर है, दिस इज द ऑब्जेक्ट एंड अप्लाइंग अ फोर्स ऑफ some Newton on this object and this object gets displaced in this direction only, then this work is said to be positive. Like if I am releasing this marker, this is a freely falling object, if we'll release this marker, definitely it will come down. So if displacement occurs in direction of the applied force, like weight of this marker is m into g and applying and it is falling just because of the gravitational pull, so the force is applying in the downward direction and the object is also falling in the downward direction. So positive work is said to be, a work is said to be positive if displacement occurs in the direction of applied force. Now as far as the zero work is concerned, zero work की बात करें तो क्या होगा? Zero work में क्या होता है? When no displacement occurs on applying force, like if we push a wall, अगर हम किसी wall को push करते हैं, then what will happen? Work नहीं होगा. क्यों? क्योंकि हम लोगों ने फोर्स तो अप्लाई किया है, बट द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ द फोर्स दैट इज बीइंग रिक्वायर्ड इन ऑर्डर टू पुल द वॉल विल नॉट बी सफिशिएंट, बिकॉज जितना वर्क हम कर रहे हैं दैट विल बी जीरो एज इट इज अ डॉट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ फोर्स एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट. सिंस डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज जीरो, दैट मीन्स वर्क इज जीरो. एज फॉर एज सम अदर एग्जाम्पल इज कंसर्न, लाइक इफ वी कैरी अ स्कूल बैग ऑन आवर शोल्डर, then the work done by the bag will also be zero because our body will be in state of motion but the bag will be in the state of rest. That means work done will be zero. As far as negative work is concerned, when we roll a ball on a ground, after some time the ball gets stops. What is that? That is just because of the frictional force of the ground that will be applied from the opposite direction and will make the ball stop. So ये category हम लोगों ने concern की. And if we'll talk about the angle, force and displacement के बीच में अगर एंगल की बात करें तो in case of positive work it is 0, in case of zero work it is 90, in case of negative work it is 180. So these are the classification that work is basically being categorized. ठीक है. एंड अगर इंटर रिलेशनशिप की बात करें कि वर्क एंड एनर्जी की इंटर रिलेशनशिप की बात करें तो देखिए दोनों का यूनिट जूल ही होता है. ठीक है, दोनों का यूनिट जूल ही होता है. ठीक. So we can define it in this way, like in order to carry out work, we need energy. That's why the definition is the capacity to do work is called energy. So this is how you will explain. One more important question is being asked in your exam, like आपको define करने के लिए आता है 1 joule. How you will define 1 joule? So you will define when a force of 1 Newton. ठीक है, आप इसको ऐसे define करिएगा. When a work is said to be 1 joule when a force of 1 Newton is required to displace an object by 1 meter, then the work done is said to be 1 joule by the body. ठीक. And on the basis of this you will be having your numericals in the exercise, like आपको force, displacement and work से related numericals होंगे. ठीक है, जिसमें आपको जैसे एक मैं क्वेश्चन करा देता हूँ, then in the later part of the video, like in the next video I will be explaining you about the work energies, different forms of energy. First we will discuss about potential energy पढ़ेंगे, potential, then kinetic energy, then mechanical energy, जो कि sum total of potential and kinetic energy होती है. Then I will be explaining you different forms of energy and then interconversion of energy and its application. तो अगर एक न्यूमेरिकल की बात करें, किस टाइप के न्यूमेरिकल्स आपके एग्जाम्स में होंगे? वर्क से रिलेटेड, जैसे क्वेश्चन है आपका, कैलकुलेट द वर्क डन बाय एन बॉडी if a force of 20 Newton makes displacement of 100 meter. So how you will solve this question? What is being asked? Work done by a body. So what is given in the question? Force is 20 Newton, displacement is 100 meter. Then work will be equal to force into displacement. This will be equal to 20 into 100. That will equal to 2000 Newton meter, or you can say 2000 joule. So this is how you will solve the numericals if they are in the exercise. So student, I'll finish my lecture here only. I hope you will like this video. You will just go through this video and try to learn the important keywords that I have explained you. Start making notes, because notes are very important. Start making notes in your copy, and whatever doubts you are having after watching this video or the video that I have already uploaded, you are free to text me, you can call me, you can send your message. I'll be responding to you. Thank you very much.